and called for a harmonious resolution of this dispute, abandoning violence. The European way is the way of violence, NATO, bombing, and that's not that should not be the Chinese way. It should not be the way in which we do things in Asia. So I think Taiwan should call for a harmonious resolution of the dispute without the use of force, without the threat of force. And you should call for dialogue, you should call for a harmonious resolution. At the same time saying that this belongs to you, but you are ready to wait 999 years before it gets transferred to you. At the end of 999 years, you will go to war. But before 999 years, you will not fight. So I think, frankly, Taiwan has got to really, stand up and be Chinese in this situation. You have got a great culture and tradition behind you. That's a culture of harmony and peace. I think it is to stand and be, try and be aggressive and say we're going to send military boats, we're going to send naval vessels, etc. It looks good on television, but I can tell you, as someone who has dealt with policy, most things that look good on television are very bad policy. Good policies very seldom look good on television. So I would not advise you to send ships and patrol boats and things like that. I would advise you to say very clearly this. This should be settled harmoniously, peaceably, without violence, without the use of force, in the Chinese way.
Thank you, Professor. Any